This is the last video in the series of creating fast content for affiliate products. I use AppSumo as an example of how to get products affiliate link and then get content for them. In the past few videos, I created a giant Google Sheets that have all the information: product description, price, screenshots, affiliate link, QR codes for the link, and more. In this video, I will create a custom post type specifically for affiliate products so I can showcase the products on my website in an easy way. This video will be in two parts. The first part is getting the affiliate post type and inserting all the product info into my website with TaskMagic automation. We will use advanced custom fields as a plugin to create a post type. The goal is to create a block that you can reuse so all the products will show in a nice, consistent way. The second part will be in a different video where I'll share how to create reusable block and how to use the custom post type content in it. We'll also talk about how to create blog posts quickly with the help of ChatGPT or any other AI you like to use. If it's your first time working with custom post type, then this part of the video is crucial to help you understand the concept. If you already know what it is, you can skip to the next part where I share a step-by-step guide on how to create a post type and what you should include for affiliate products. To understand how custom post type work, you can look at WooCommerce product as an example compared to a regular post you have on your website when you first install WordPress. When you open a new regular post, you'll see some basic fields: the title of the post, the body of the post, taxonomies like categories and tags, and featured image. This is a simple post type you get when you first set up a WordPress website. Let's take a look at WooCommerce product post type. Here you have many more fields to fill in. Like a regular post, you have the title, the body, which is the long product description in this case, tags, categories, and image like you have in the regular post type. But there are more. You can add multiple images as a gallery for the product, a short description, and a long list of customizable options specific to the product. On your website, you'll notice a consistent design across all WooCommerce products. The title appears in the specific place, followed by the image and short description, with more details information about the product displayed at the bottom. With this in mind, let's understand how custom post type work. You can create a custom post type that you can fill fields with all the information you need for your specific project. In our example, it's for affiliate products. When you're presenting an affiliate product, you need the product name, price, and affiliate link. But you can also add an image, a QR code, so people can scan it instead of clicking a button, a short description, and any other information you want to include. I created my affiliate post type with fields that aren't specific to AppSumo. So now let's create an affiliate post type tailored for AppSumo. You don't have to do this. You can create one post type for all your affiliate products from any website. In the Google Sheets I made for the automation in this series, I have the affiliate link, screenshots, a QR code for the link, a short description I took from AppSumo, and the starting price. But you can scrape all the product price tiers from AppSumo and have custom field for each one. This way you can present the product with those fields. When you create a custom post type and then make one post, you won't see all the fields on the front end of the website right away because you need a design for the post type. In the second half of the tutorial, I'll show you how to create this design specific to the post type. Let's start by creating the post type, starting with installing the plugin for the custom post type. I use Advanced Custom Fields plugin, and I use the free version because I need a very simple post type. Go to your WordPress dashboard, go to plugins and then click add new and search for advanced custom field or just type ACF and it will come up. Make sure you install the correct plugin. After activating the plugin, you will see a new item in your menu. Click on the ACF in the menu, and the first step is to create the custom post type. After that, we'll create the fields for this post type. Click on post type option, and you'll see an empty page. Click create new. Here you need to fill in some information about this post type. Start with the name, because you'll see it later in the menu. In our example, it's AppSumo products. On the first line, write the plural form, and on the second line, the singular form. You'll need to write it twice. Next, you need to give it a key. This should be in lowercase letters without spaces or special symbols. It shouldn't be too long. The key will autofill, but you can change it if you want. For the taxonomies, you can choose whether to use the same taxonomies as other post types on your website. For example, if you have WooCommerce, you can use the same tags and categories. This way, when someone searches for your website by WooCommerce categories, they will also see affiliate products with the same categories. Next, you have other settings. I just keep the first one, which makes this post type public because I want to show products on my website to everyone. Leave the other setting off. Now click Save Changes and you will have new custom post type, which you'll see in the menu. If you click on the post type in the menu, you'll see an empty page and you can create a new post. If you click to create a new post, you'll notice it's a normal post with just a title and content. And on the side, there won't be any additional fields. That's because we haven't created the fields yet. So let's go back to ACF and click on Field Group. Create a new field group and now you'll see a long list of things you can add. The field group will contain all the specific fields you are going to create for this post type. If you're creating different post types for different affiliate products, you can manage them separately from here. Give the field group a name that matches the post type. So for us, it's AppSumo products. There are two parts on this page. One is where you add all the fields, and the other is where you set the rules for when those fields will show up. You can add some customization, but I'll focus only on what's needed for this post type to keep it simple. The first step is choosing the type of field. You'll have a long list of options for what kind of field to use. The first field is the product name. I separate this into a different field even though we have a title for the post. This way, if I need to add something to the title to recognize it in a long list of posts, I can still use the pure product name whenever needed. I'll leave it as a text field because it's just a short line of text. In the field name, write the label you'll see on the editing page, like product name. Then assign a key for it. No spaces or lower cases. If you want to add default text or values that shows every time you create a post, you can do that here too. Now let's create more fields. I'll add a text area for the short description, which I'll text from AppSumo, and I have it in the Google Sheets. Next, I want to have an image field for the screenshot I got from AppSumo. So I'll add an image field. Fill in the name and key, and that's it. I'm also adding another image field for the QR code I have from Switchy. Now for the other information. If you scraped all the tiers from the product and want to show them in the post, you can create a field for each tier. If you want to include details about each tier and what to include, you can add a text box field for each one. I'll add one tier for now and won't add additional information, but you can do whatever you like. Lastly, I'm adding the URL field for the product link. If you want to add any other information, whether it's an image or text, you can add as many fields as you like. Scroll down to Setting tab and set those fields to show up on the AppSumo products post type. Then save all changes. If you ever want to add more fields, just open the field group for AppSumo product and you can make adjustment there. Now go to the AppSumo product post type from the menu. When you open it, you'll see all the new fields you just created. To keep things organized, you can add some categories so you can assign any product to a category. This is also helpful for searching. To add a category field, you need to click on taxonomies. It's similar to creating the post type. Just fill in all the fields for the name and plural and singular forms. Next, you'll see a list of post types you have on your website. You can choose few if you like. Choose the AppSumo product post type. Also click on the hierarchical option because that way you can have categories and subcategories and save your changes. Now when you get to create the new post, you can add categories and you'll also see a new option in the menu to manage the categories from there. Great, that's the first step done. Let's move on to adding the product using automation with TaskMagic so you can save time by creating all those posts efficiently.